I'm here with Steve DiNapoli, the developer of this, what is going to be an incredible project here called Barratt Lake Estates. Steve, when did we start working on this?
We started in the summer of 2021.
Yeah.
We closed on the property in January of 2021. We had to go through zoning, prepare the plans. We originally thought we were going to do 13 lots, and it turned out we could do 12 because of a deed restriction. We attempted to deal with that, but we couldn't overcome it, so 12 lots it is.
Right.
And everything is done now. They're working on the paving, they're putting the lime in, and we'll probably start the streets in 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, these lots have been sold out for how long? How many months?
Oh, close to a year. The
Yeah.
market's been good, and the realtor team has done a great job.
Oh, thank you. Well, this is so special. I think this is really going to be just an incredible development. It will be gated.
Yes.
It's going to have a beautiful horse statue, which we're working on right
Yep.
now, with a fountain.
Yep.
It's in Lovejoy ISD, work in progress for a long time. And Steve's done a great job, hanging in there through all the obstacles. I don't know if you can see back in the background, I'll fly this, you'll be able to see in the aerial, there's a pond in the middle, and we call them tanks out here, but that will have a fountain, and it's just going to be a gorgeous development. Lots of sizes here, Steve.
They range from 2+ acres to 6+ acres.
Okay.
They are allowed horses, but because I'm a horse person myself, I know the minimum acreage that you need per horse for the horse to have a good lifestyle.
Yeah, I agree, 100%.
2 acres, you're allowed 1 horse. 4 acres, 2 horses. 6 acres, you're allowed 4 horses.
Right. And we've got 2 of those big 6-acre lots that have actually been sold. We've got some great developers in here. Ron McCam is just one of them. So we're excited. We'll be putting those builders out there here in a little bit, and I invite you to just stay in tune with us and let us show you this development as it comes together. But we're all very excited, and Steve, you've done a fabulous job.
Thank you. Tom, I've had good help, good representation. You've done a phenomenal job, and your team has helped me.
Thank you. Well, with it's a project like this, everybody's got to pull together.
Yeah, we're a team.
Yeah, it was great. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you very much, Tom.